More than 50 years ago, a group of socially dynamic people from various parts of the country got together with a vision to make a difference in the life of those unfortunate and ill-fated people who were snubbed with basic amenities of natural life. With such kind of positive and encouraging thoughts, Bal Bharti Academy was initiated in the fateful year of 1970. Bal Bharti Academy's vision is to ensure human progress through eradicating poverty, improve health, and sustainable development across India. Ever since our early days, we are determined, consistent, irresistible, and unstoppable, as stated in our mission statement. We wish to bring a sweeping change in the country's youth, women, and children through constructive efforts, appropriate edification, and suitable training. Since the beginning of our journey, we have analyzed and discovered the country's inherited problems, and henceforth, we primarily focus on those complex areas only. For example, women empowerment projects are one of them.
Women constitute almost 50% population of India, but their contribution to GDP is merely 17%. This indicates the intense disparity women go through at various levels. A nation is an extended version of its societies and people. Our country is a developing nation, and to become a developed nation, it must rectify and fix its attitude towards the half of its population. Bal Bharti Academy, since its inception, has been engaged in improving women, girls' economic and social status through its various awareness and skill development programs. Till date, we have worked with and influenced the life of over 50,000 girls, women in different parts of the country like Ladakh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Maharashtra, to name a few. It is our earnest wish and dream to see daughters of India getting an equal opportunity for education, economic independence, and governance.
As a responsible organization of the nation, we understand our role and duty towards a demographic dividend, the youth. To exploit their skills constructively, we are working on various skill development projects in association with multiple ministries, government departments, agencies, and corporates.
Bal Bharti is full throttle engaged to fulfill our Honorable Prime Minister's dream of making India skill capital of the world. Today, we have the abundance of human resource, and if we can harness this great tide with proper skill training and employment, nation will reap the benefits in the years to come. Bal Bharti have been doing skill development projects under the aegis of various government departments, ministries, and corporates in multiple states across the nation. A nation which can treasure its youth is sure to grow and strengthen. It is one drop in the ocean to contribute towards this great aim.
A developing or developed country is majorly dependent upon the education and health of its inhabitants. These two components regulate the pace and progress of the country. Bal Bharti Academy has been actively contributing to improving the health and education of the population dwelling in cities, rural and tribal areas of the nation. The prevalence of COVID-19 has changed the semantics and dynamics of every aspect of life. Bal Bharti Academy left no stone unturned in its effort to fight against corona. During the lockdowns, drives were carried out to distribute food and medicine to the needy and underprivileged. We organized oxygen concentrators and helped set up temporary hospitals as well. Change does not take place on its own. Rather, torch-bearers and front-runners have to pave the way for the change and the masses to embrace it. Bal Bharti Academy is committed to bringing change in socially snubbed people's lives and inspiring them to lead respectful life. Bal Bharti Academy is playing a supporting role, either as an extended arm or as an executing partner in various government, PSUs, or corporate house development projects. Through CSR support, we are creating many infrastructural projects in the remote areas of various parts of the country. Milestones, accolades, and achievements are not the only motivating factors for us. Instead, recognition to work towards humanity's change, growth, and development is the inspiration to keep us going. We have covered miles, but millions have to go in the times to come. We firmly believe in the adage, more the merrier, and trust the power of association and working together. We look forward to the support from individuals, groups, and organizations who can be a catalyst and contribute to making the country better and better with each passing day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.